Hey friends, welcome to Cooking with Claudia. Today we're making honey garlic butter carrots. These roasted carrots are the perfect side. They're so easy to make and very delicious. Let's get started. We're using a whole lot of carrots for this recipe, and I've already peeled and washed my carrots very well. Start by cutting up the carrots into bite-sized pieces, just like this. Once the carrots are all cut up, go ahead and set them aside for later. Next, we're going to melt some butter in a pan over medium heat. Once the butter has melted, throw in the carrots, then season with salt and black pepper. Saute the carrots for about 2 minutes, then pour in some honey. Next, we're going to add some minced garlic and freshly chopped thyme. You can also use dried thyme or dried parsley. Mix everything together and let the carrots cook in the honey garlic sauce for about 1 minute. Then you're going to turn off your heat. Give the pan a little shake to allow the carrots to fall in one single layer. Make sure your oven is preheated to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Roast the carrots for 20 minutes or until they're fork tender. After 20 minutes of roasting, take out your carrots, then stir them to coat in the honey garlic sauce. Then you're going to press broil on your oven. Place the carrots back into the oven to broil for 2 or 3 minutes. These are the carrots when they're done roasting. Cooking carrots in honey garlic sauce is an amazing way to make them. The carrots come out so flavorful and delicious. This is a great side dish. The honey garlic sauce brings out the sweetness in the carrots. Since the carrots are sweet, serving them with a savory chicken or steak pair really well together. Speaking of what to pair the carrots with, I made some spicy chicken in my mini oven. By the way, this gadget helps me in the kitchen so much. I use it to grill, bake, and air fry. It's by Chef Favor. I'll leave a link in the description box if you guys want to check it out. I served the carrots with my spicy chicken and some yellow rice. Everything was so delicious. My whole family enjoyed it. If you guys would like to try these honey garlic carrots recipe, check the description box for all the ingredients and measurements.